Welcome to all. During any road construction and embankment construction, we might have seen the compaction of soil by heavy rollers. This compaction is done to enhance the density of the soil. So, until and unless we measure the density, we cannot predict about the denseness of the soil after compaction. So, how to measure the density of the soil? Let's learn to measure the density of the soil by core cutter method in the laboratory.
Density of soil is an important index property which helps for the stability analysis of soil, determination of bearing capacity of soil to determine the degree of compaction. There are various laboratory tests like core cutter method, sand replacement method, water displacement method for the determination of dry density. Today, let's discuss about the core cutter method for the determination of dry density. The various apparatus required for determination of dry density by core cutter method: a cylindrical core cutter which dia 100 mm and height 130 mm with a cutting edge, steel dolly which dia 100 mm and height 25 mm, steel rammer of weight 9 kg. Weight balance, palette knife, sample extruder, water content determination apparatus as described in the previous video for the determination of water content by oven dried method.
Measure the inside diameter of the core cutter, which is equal to 10 centimeter. Measure the height of the core cutter, which is equal to 13 centimeter. Now record the height as well as diameter of the core cutter and calculate the volume.
The internal diameter of the core cutter is 10 centimeter and internal height of the core cutter is 13 centimeter. So the volume of the cylindrical core cutter is pi by 4 into d square into h. Here d is 10 centimeter, which is diameter of the core cutter. H is equal to 13 centimeter. So after calculation, the volume is 1014 centimeter cube.
Measure the weight of the core cutter and record the reading.
The mass of the empty core cutter is 1059 gram. Then next observation will be taken with the soil. So let's go to the field for bringing the soil. Expose the small area about 30 cm square to be tested and label it. Put the dolly on the top of the core cutter and drive the assembly into the soil with the help of rammer until the top of the dolly protrudes about 1.5 centimeter above the surface. Dig out the container from the surrounding soil. Ensure that while digging the soil with sample extruder, the soil within the core cutter should not be disturbed. Take the undisturbed soil sample with core cutter to the laboratory for the determination of dry density.
Remove the dolly and trim the excess soil from the top of the core cutter with the help of knife. Trim the other end of the core cutter with the help of knife. Wet the core cutter full of the soil, but ensure that before working the core cutter with soil, the wet balance should show the 0 reading.
The mass of the soil sample with core cutter is 2905 gram. Record the reading in the observation sheet.
The mass of the core cutter with soil is 2905 gram. In order to find the total mass of the undisturbed soil sample, we need to subtract the mass of the empty core cutter M1 from the mass of the core cutter with soil, which is equal to 1846 gram. Now remove the soil from the core cutter. Keep some representative soil in oven for 24 hours for the determination of water content. The water content determination video has been uploaded and the link was given in the description box, and same procedure will be repeated for the determination of water content, and the water content will be recorded.
So it has been found that the water content of the soil is 7.51% from the oven dried method. So let us calculate the dry density of the soil. We have found that the mass of the soil M is equal to 1846 gram. Here M is equal to M2 minus M1, which is equal to 1846 gram. Hence, the bulk density rho is equal to M by B. B has already found out, which is equal to 1014. So bulk density of the soil is 1.82 gram per centimeter cube. All of you know that the dry density is equal to bulk density divided by 1 plus water content. So rho d or dry density is equal to 1.82, which is the bulk density divided by 1 plus 0.075, because the water content is 7.51%. So total dry density is equal to 1.69 gram per centimeter cube. So we have found that the dry density of the soil using formula is equal to 1.69 gram per centimeter cube. So repeat the test with 2 different samples from 2 different locations and get the average dry density.